Hey guys, this is Dave Molnix. I'm just going to show you real quickly how you can set up the audio settings for your Skype for Business video meeting. Oftentimes the video works perfectly, but sometimes the audio doesn't. So if that's the case, then what you may want to do is you're going to want to do is come down here, and you'll see down here in the lower left-hand corner of my Skype for Business window, I have Select Primary Devices. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to go right to my audio device settings. You'll see my microphone's working already, but these are the two main things we want to focus on. Our speaker should be our HP. If you have something else, then you want to make sure and select that to make sure it says HP. And then the microphone, I'm actually using a microphone that I have added on, but most times you want to make sure and use the internal microphone unless you do have that extra microphone. And then once you've done that, you just click OK, and you should be good to go, and hopefully your audio will start working.